Hinula ng civil society groups ang planong italaga muli bilang presiding officer si Senator Cheese Escudero sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Dinepensahan naman yan mismo ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Nagbabalik si Maricel Halili.
Not sure what the batikos is for Cheese to become the trial manager. I don't think that reflects in any way on how he will do.
Iyan ang pahayag ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa mga bumabatikos kay Senador Cheese Escudero na posibleng maging presiding officer ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Giit niya, wala siyang pagdududa sa kakayahan ni Escudero na pamunuan ng trial.
As a matter of fact, the rules that were adopted by the Senate were the rules that Senator Cheese wrote during the last year's impeachment, when they were handling the last year's impeachment complaint. So, in terms of his ability to be able to run the trial, I don't think that's in doubt.
Paliwanag ng Pangulo, hindi si Escudero ang dahilan kung bakit hindi umusad ang impeachment ng bise nung nakaraang taon.
If you remember, the reason that the impeachment trial last year came to a stop was because of the Supreme Court decision. And that had nothing to do with Senator Cheese.
Matatanda ang binatikos noon si Escudero dahil sa pagkakadelay ng impeachment case matapos ibalik ng Senado ang articles of impeachment sa Kamara imbes na magdaos ng trial. Naging kontrobersyal dyan ang interpretation sa constitutional rule na forthwith. Pero sa inilabas na desisyon ng Supreme Court, sinabi nitong ang salitang forthwith ay hindi nangangahulugang instantaneously o agad-agad, kundi sa loob ng makatwirang panahon. At ngayon, na higit 2 linggo o sa July 6, formal sisimula ng impeachment trial ni VP Sara, 2 raw ang pinagpipili ang presiding officer ayon kay Senador Ping Lacson, sina Senador Escudero at Senador Kiko Pangilinan. Pero sabi ni Lacson, nakakuha sila ng consensus na si Escudero ang italaga bilang presiding officer dahil abogado ito at may kaalaman na raw sa impeachment proceedings. Pero inalmahan ito ng ilang civil groups. Ayon sa Tindig Pilipinas, hindi porket may legal background, dapat si Escudero na ang piliin para sa posisyon. Giit ng grupo, hindi lang basta-basta legal exercise ang impeachment trial. Ito raw ay isang constitutional at political process kung saan dapat pinagkakatiwalaan ng publiko ang sino mang mangangasiwa nito. Panawagan nila, sana i-reconsider ng Senate Majority Bloc ang plano at hayaang si Senate President Win Gatchalian na ang maging presiding judge. Una nang sinabi ni Senate President Gatchalian na hindi pa final na si Escudero ang mangunguna sa impeachment trial.
The Constitution doesn't prescribe any requirement on lawyers. No? So, in fact, ang gusto ng Constitution as layman as possible in proceedings. This is a political process, no? At kaya mga senador ang hukom o ang judges dahil this is a political process.
Nang tanungin kung kaya ba niyang maging presiding officer, sagot niya,
Kakayanin natin, no? I'll do my best. Of course, marami pag-aaralan. That's why I've been quite busy lately. So, pipilitin natin.
sakaling makapagtalaga ang Senado, suportado ito ni Pangulong Marcos.
I will support whoever the Senate chooses. As long as the process that they undertook in making the choice is proper, is legal, is constitutional, then that's fine with me. I will definitely do whatever I can to work together with the legislature, with the Senate in particular, to make sure that things go smoothly.
Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Maricel Halili, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosing po, maging maalam at may pakialam sa mga napapanahong issue at headlines. Mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.